If you want to transform the way you write, you have to transform the way you read. Every poem has something to teach you. You just need to sit with it long enough and look close enough. This June, I'm going to be leading a series called Poetry as Professor. And in it, we're going to become poetry mechanics. We're going to look under the hood. We're going to think about why the poet chose this verb, this line, this volta, this strategy. We are going to learn from some of the best contemporary poets of our time, mimic the way they approach language and how they use the craft of poetry, and then apply their tools to our own writing. This course is going to be full of curiosities and challenges and guarantees to take your craft to the next level, meaning that any poem you read, you can teach yourself how to replicate some of those poetry moves. So I hope you'll join me this June for Poetry as Professor.